Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kayam NewThings. If you are new here and like the content, please don't forget to subscribe to Kayam NewThings and click the notification bell for upcoming latest fashion and lifestyle content. And follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. Today's video is all about Asian ladies sportswear running shoe. At the front of the box is a picture of a sporty girl, and at the side it has written some text, ISO certificate, company number, Asian ladies sportswear, 100% knitwear comfort, proudly made in India and with air cooler cushion. And at the side of the box again is an Asian brand, and this is a new arrival shoe, a picture of brand ambassador Virendra Sehwag, an Asian brand slogan Mera Darshan Mera Asian. Another side of the box again written Asian ladies sportswear and a picture of Virendra Sehwag, and this side again written new arrival brand name, some barcodes and QR code, and the model number is Elasto 02L. Let's unbox the Asian women's running or walking shoe. Friends, let me take off the plastic and show the shoe. And friends, the color of the shoe is maroon, and I like to say the color is pretty damn good. And this is a tag which written Delhi Captains and official footwear partner, and the another side of the tag which written Asian India's leading footwear brand. At the top of the shoe have written the Asian branding logo, and underneath has written Asian memory foam technology. Friends, the sole is ethanol vinyl acetate. Friends, the closure is slip-on. Friends, the heel height of the slip-on shoe is 1.2 inches. And the shoe size is 4 according to my mother's foot. Type fit is regular and shoe wide medium. Let's talk about the shoe. Upper features like new breathable knit upper which is easy washable, perfect for all season, winter, summer and rainy. Designed to give you the most comfortable fitting. These are drying washable shoe which makes it easy for consumer to wash and sanitize them easily. Sole features high increasing non-marketing EVA TPR sole made with lightweight compound and orthopedic memory foam shoes which provide extra comfort to your feet with a perfect grip. Features nitro capsule technology for added vacuum based air cushion under your heels. Friends, let's talk about the price of Asian sportswear running shoe for women is rupees 599 and the MRP is 1499 rupees. Friends, these running shoe are comfortable and support the feet and body, making you ideal for everyday wearing. Durability wise, running shoe are made to last, so you can wear these for a long time without worrying about falling apart. What socks should wear with running shoe or walking shoe? Polyester and nylon are synthetic fabrics for running socks, as they are both sweat wicking, breathable and more durable than cotton socks. Which pants should you wear with Asian women's running or walking shoes? Friends, you can pair it with pants like track pants, skinny jeans pants, joggers, athleisure joggers, workwear joggers, slim joggers and baggy joggers. Friends, on the final conclusion of Asian women's running shoe and should you buy or not? Friends, you are thinking of buying a slip-on shoe that has style, softness and comfort, so this Asian women's running shoe is perfect for you. Friends, it is a best and budget slip-on shoe starting only 599 rupees. Or friends, you want to get more out of this, so I will be recommend to you to buy the best running and walking shoe such as Asian's Women Firefly 09 sports shoe, Asian's Women Firefly 01 sports running shoe, Asian's Women's Ria 51 sports running shoe, Asian's Women's Mercury 05 sports running shoe, Asian's Women's 13 sports running shoe, Asian's Women's Firefly 111 sports slip-on shoe, Asian's Women Firefly 118 sports slip-on shoe. I mention all the running and walking and slip-on shoes in the description box below in the video. Let's have a closer look at Asian women's running walking shoe. that is everything I want to show you about Asian women's running or walking shoe. I hope are you gonna like the video. If are you gonna like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, and also if you are new here to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel Kayam NewThings. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you soon in the next video.